What's up guys, and welcome to Roman's Top Picks. In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. We have researched the features, performance, and customer reviews of hundreds of cameras and narrowed down our list to the top 5. We have also included the links to each product in the description below, so you can check out more detailed information and the latest prices. Before we start, please note that as an Amazon associate we earn from qualifying purchases. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Now, let's get started with our top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6000. The Sony Alpha A6000 is a compact and lightweight camera that features a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor, a Bions X processor, and a hybrid autofocus system with 179 phase detect points. It can shoot up to 11 frames per second with continuous autofocus and exposure tracking, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. It also has a built-in electronic viewfinder, a tilting LCD screen, Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, and full HD video recording. The camera is easy to use and has plenty of manual controls and customizable buttons. The autofocus is fast and accurate, even in low-light situations. The images are sharp, detailed, and have good dynamic range and color reproduction. The video quality is also decent, with smooth motion and clear sound. The Sony Alpha A6000 does have some drawbacks though. It doesn't have 4K video recording, which is becoming more common in newer cameras. It also has a relatively short battery life, so you'll need to carry some spare batteries or use an external power source. The menu system is also a bit outdated and confusing, and the camera lacks a touchscreen and a silent shutter mode. Overall, the Sony Alpha A6000 is a great camera for beginners and enthusiasts who want a versatile and affordable mirrorless camera that can handle different types of photography. It may not have the latest features or the best design, but it still delivers excellent results in most situations. Number 4. Nikon D3500. The D3500 is a compact and lightweight camera that features a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, an 11-point autofocus system, and a 5 frames per second continuous shooting speed. It also has a built-in guide mode that helps you learn the basics of photography and choose the right settings for different situations. The D3500 comes with an 18 to 55mm kit lens that has a retractable design to make it more portable. The lens also has a vibration reduction feature that helps you get sharper images in low light or when using slower shutter speeds. The D3500 is compatible with a wide range of Nikon lenses, so you can expand your creative options as you grow your skills. The D3500 has a fixed LCD screen on the back that has a decent resolution and brightness. It also has an optical viewfinder that gives you a clear and lag-free view of your subject. The camera can shoot full HD video at up to 60 frames per second, but it does not have 4K video or microphone input. The D3500 has a remarkable battery life that can last for up to 1550 shots per charge, which is much more than most mirrorless cameras. It also has Bluetooth connectivity that lets you transfer your photos to your smartphone or tablet via the Nikon SnapBridge app. In conclusion, the D3500 is a great camera for anyone who wants to get into DSLR photography without breaking the bank. It has a simple and user-friendly design, a reliable performance, and a high-quality sensor that delivers excellent images. It may not have all the bells and whistles of more advanced models, but it has everything you need to start your photography journey. Number 3. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a compact and lightweight camera that has a 20.9 MP sensor and can shoot up to 11 frames per second. It also has a 209-point hybrid autofocus system that can track your subject's eyes and face. The camera can also shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and has a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD that can flip down for selfies and vlogging. The camera comes with 2 kit lenses, a 16 to 50mm pancake zoom and a 50 to 250mm telephoto zoom, both with built-in image stabilization. These lenses are very slim and portable, and offer good image quality and versatility. The camera is also compatible with the FTZ adapter, which lets you use any F-mount lens from Nikon's DSLR range. The Nikon Z50 is a great camera for beginners and enthusiasts who want to get into the mirrorless world. It offers good performance, image quality, and features in a small and affordable package. However, it does have some drawbacks, such as no in-body stabilization, limited native lens selection, poor battery life, and an awkward flip under screen. So, should you buy the Nikon Z50? Well, if you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use camera that can handle both stills and video, and you don't mind the limitations we mentioned, then the Nikon Z50 might be a good choice for you. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, better battery life, or more lens options, then you might want to look elsewhere. Number 2. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. The EM10 Mark IV is the 4th generation of Olympus entry-level OMD series, and it comes with some significant improvements over its predecessor. The most notable one is the new 20MP sensor, which delivers better image quality and low-light performance than the previous 16MP sensor. The camera also has a faster and more accurate autofocus system, thanks to the algorithms borrowed from the flagship EM1X. Another new feature is the flip-down touchscreen, which makes it easy to take selfies and vlogs. The screen also has touch controls for shooting and adjusting settings. The camera also has a 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which helps you capture sharp photos and smooth videos, even in handheld situations. The EM10 Mark IV is also packed with creative features and modes, such as live composite, art filters, advanced photo mode, and scene mode. These let you experiment with different effects and styles without having to use any editing software. Overall, the EM10 Mark IV is a great camera for anyone who wants a small, light, and powerful camera that can do pretty much everything. It's ideal for travel, street photography, portraits, landscapes, and more. It's also compatible with a wide range of lenses and accessories from Olympus and other brands. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel SL3/EOS 250D. This camera has a 24MP APS-C sensor that delivers excellent image quality and has dual-pixel autofocus, which is fast and accurate in live view and video mode. It also has an optical viewfinder, which some people prefer over electronic ones, and a vari-angle touchscreen that lets you shoot from different angles and take selfies. The SL3 can also record 4K video, although with a 1.7x crop factor, which means you lose some of the wide-angle view. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity and remote control, and a very impressive battery life of over 1,000 shots per charge. The Rebel SL3 is easy to use, thanks to its simple but effective controls and its guide mode, which helps you learn the basics of photography. It also has a range of creative filters and modes that let you have fun with your photos and videos. This camera is not perfect though. It has only 9 AF points in viewfinder shooting, which can limit your composition options. It also lacks in-body stabilization, which means you need to use stabilized lenses or a tripod to avoid shaky footage. And it has a thicker body than mirrorless rivals, which may not fit in your pocket. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a great DSLR for beginners who want a camera that's easy to use, versatile, and capable of taking great photos and videos. It's not the most advanced or the cheapest camera on the market, but it's still one of the best options for its category. That's it for our top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Roman's Top Picks channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.